Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Interactive Brokers client portal, secure access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Interactive Brokers. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Client Portal section. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the Secure Login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your authentication device. Enter the authentication code you receive. Once all fields are filled out, click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the client dashboard. In case of a failed login attempt, review your username and password for accuracy. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. After successfully logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You are now ready to access the features and tools within the Interactive Brokers client portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.